Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'll be creating this soft glam makeup look for black girls with affordable products. This video is perfect if you're on budget and if you use drugstore products. Let's get started, shall we? Firstly, I'm going to prime my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is the dupe of the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Primer helps your makeup to be applied smoothly onto your face and also to make your makeup stay in place. By the way, the white cast you see is from the sunscreen I have on, not from the primer. I apply the primer everywhere I'm going to apply my makeup. For the eyebrows, I'm using this brow pencil which I got from the hair store, which was £1.99. I start first by brushing my hair up and then using this brow tint by Refi and then go in with my brow pencil. Honestly, I don't know why I use the brown tint. I guess it's to make my eyebrow darker. Honestly, I only use the Refi brow tint when I'm going to work, but I don't know why I used it in this look. I like my eyebrows really thin, so that's what I'm doing. So just do what you want to do with your own eyebrows. Next, I'm going to shape my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using it in color Fun. By the way, did you know that Serena Williams uses LA Girl Pro Concealer? I remember when I started doing makeup videos, I used to be so shy to bring out my LA Girl Pro Concealer because everyone I saw was using, the expensive brand. But the more I kept doing makeup, the more I just oh, who cares? Honestly, who cares? Do I want the high-end stuff? Yes, I do, but this is what I have now at the moment. And it's going to give me a beautiful makeup look. Just watch to the end and you'll see. I'm using the Fenty foundation. By the way, this is one of the best, actually not one of the best foundation I've used so far. Other foundation left me looking so yellowish, but this is my perfect match. I first use the flat brush to apply the foundation on my face and then blend a little bit. I also like to use the foundation to cover the areas where I applied concealer to shape my eyebrows, and then go in with a beauty blender to blend the foundation completely. Next, I'm going to use a contour to contour my face, and I'm using the Made by Mitchell cuff case. Okay, I didn't realize that I was not filming when I was putting my bronzer. So what I did is I put my bronzer around my forehead, my cheekbone, on it, not underneath there, and I also put it around the perimeter of my eyes like that, and line down there and here. Also put it underneath my jaw lines. Okay, now we just blend and blend and blend away. If you've been thinking about getting the Made by Mitchell cuff case, you should definitely get it. I love that it has different shade of contour and blush, and a little definitely goes a long way. Now I'm going to conceal the area that needs concealing, which is underneath my eyes, the nasal fold, and my chin. I also don't forget your nose. I almost forgot as well. I forgot to let my concealer sit for some minutes before I blend it. Also, please do let your concealer sit for some few minutes. This is to give it more coverage and to make your makeup look better. After you've let your concealer sit for some few minutes, now it's time to blend. Next, I'm going in with my baking powder. I like to put the powder on a paper towel and then use my puff to just tap it in and then remove any excess, and then pat the powder where I have applied the concealer. I let the powder sit in for some few seconds and then brush it off with my brush. Next is blush. I won't be using a blush. I'll be using a red lipstick. I've never used a red lipstick as a blush, but I'm going to try it today. I just realized that I tend to try new makeup look or technique when I am going out. I don't know why I do that, but because it's so risky. Anyways, I applied the red lipstick on my cheek first, but then I decided to put the lipstick at the back of my hands and use a brush to just build it up. Going in with more lipstick because there's never enough blush. Going in with my mascara from Rimmel London. Get the London look. Next is eyeshadow from Morphe. Since it's a soft glam makeup, I'll be using the brown color just to get that brownish look. Also wanted to try putting mascara on my bottom lashes, but I find it so difficult to put it. I just make so many mess when I do that. Next is lashes. I'm using this dolly wispy lashes that has like a long tail at the end, and I just love the way it just makes my eye pop. Like when I look at you, it's like I'm looking into your soul. One of my favorite parts of makeup, lip combo. I'll be using the same brown pencil I use for my eyebrows to use on my lips. I'm outlining my lip with the brown pencil. I don't go over my lips, but if you want to, you can do it. Afterwards, I like to use my finger to just blend in the pencil. I notice when I do this, my lips look more pouty. Next, I'm going in with the same lipstick I used as a blush, and this lipstick is from e.l.f. I'm just dabbing in the lipstick. I'm not really applying a lot of it. Next, I'm using this fancy lip gloss my sister gifted to me. I absolutely love this lip gloss so much. I love the way. I just love the color of my lips, that's all. My lips look so yummy. Ah! And I love that this gives it that soft glam look. Like, look at this. Okay, it's time to set our face with the Studio London setting spray. You know, the setting spray I really want to have is the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray. After applying your setting spray, let it dry first and then go in with your fixing spray. I'm using the Kryolan fixing spray. And ta-da! This is our soft glam makeup look with affordable products. What do you think? I absolutely love this product. Oh, makeup. Love, love, love. If you enjoyed the video and love the makeup, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.